Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are seeing my YouTube channel videos. You can see that this last week my gold weekly analysis, I have told the price has reached 1980 in this week. This is the how accurate gold analysis. So you can join with my accurate gold signals analysis telegram, link is below. So last week, this video you can see, last every Saturday I have released my weekly analysis. So last week video I have told that the gold price XAUSD reached the 1980 level. So now have my target passed this week. That is the accurate analysis of gold trading. You can join with my telegram, link is below link, so you can profit with the gold trading. So this is the gold chart now. That is the I have mentioned my last week video. 1980 price has reached and retest again 1968 level. So next week weekly analysis video. So next week is the very important in US dollar. That's the FOMC July meeting is 26th July in next week. So I am giving next week analysis on my Saturday released next week gold trading analysis video. So keep in touch with daily analysis. That's I am thinking that you will helpful from get the profit from gold trading. So next week is the economic data is the very volatile because of FOMC meeting, Federal Reserve, American central banks. Interest rates will be released in next FOMC meeting next week 26th July. So update every economic data, my telegram link, you can join with the get the profit from the gold trading. So this is the technical picture. So that's the key levels that higher marks that the 1980 price reached and again retest to the 1960 970 level. So I am hoping price is still continue to the upside. Get the update and analysis. Keep in touch with my YouTube channel. So thank you very much.